Hey everybody, it's Jack, and I want to give you a market update and look at a few stocks. Today is March 7th. So what I like to do first to find out what is the condition of the broad market, if you don't know what it is, I like to type in ticker symbol SPY and look at that in a 6-month time frame. So we'll do that. And there we see it's in a really nice trend, making a new high, beautifully bouncing right off that short-term trend point. So the SPY is bullish. Then we look at DIA. That's an ETF that tracks the Dow Jones, but that's a much narrower market. It's only 30 stocks, and you can see it's not nearly as strong as the broader market. These industrials, it's just not happening for them. And even in the SPY, it's only a few stocks that are actually pushing up that index, so you got to be aware of that too. I also like to look at QQQ, and we see a real nice trend going here. So all three major indexes are bullish, so we take a look at these uptrending stocks and click on one here. AbbVie, that one looks like it's going higher. Same thing with AIG. Market's in a really good spot with some of these. AMD is a little overbought. You see, it's got to stay closer to that short-term trend point. Once it gets too far above that, it's going to become very volatile. But I wanted to show you this one. If I had one and only one trend to show you, it would be this. This is ticker ANF. And what I love about this is for the last 6 months, it's just been chugging higher and making new highs. It stayed above its short-term trend point. This overall trend is as good as it can possibly be. Not too volatile. You know, you don't want something too crazily volatile because it's harder to make a profit in something like this. With a stock like this one right here, you buy it, you're just jumping on an already moving train. And let's take a look at Tesla, everybody's favorite. It's really getting killed. Now it's below all three trend points, so it's going to be making new lows. Anytime you see these points cross over to the downside, the stock is going to go much lower. So that's not looking good there. But we can also take a look at NVDA. That's very difficult to maintain a trend like that. That's quite parabolic. Now, it could go higher. I own it. I'm not telling you to buy it, but I'm just saying I own it and I like it. And people like to see SMCI. Super volatile. Just really crazily volatile. So that's what we got. Bullish market conditions. Got a lot of great stocks going higher, making new highs, and not looking too good for Tesla, but it's looking great for some of these tech stocks. Stay tuned.